This design can be used as a single motif or an all over designs in your dresses and kurtis. We'll start from this point. Come over this line. Come over. Here see, it is coming up. Here it should come down, up, down. So up. Here the thread is going up. Here it should come down. So this thread should go up now. Here the thread is going up. Here it should come down. So this thread should go up in this point and then down through this point. See here, the thread is coming up, then here it's going down, here it should come up, here it should go down, and now the thread should go up. See this thread, here it is going up, here it should come down, here it should go up, here it should come down, and now the thread should go up. So it is up, down, and then up. Here the thread is going up, here it should come down, and now the thread should go up. See this line, it is going up, here it should come down. So this thread should go up, then down. See here, it is going up, here it should go down, here it should go up, here it should come down, and now the thread should go up. Like this, you have to follow the path and complete the framing of this design. We'll start the interlacing from this corner. You can start from any one of the corners. You can start from here or here, here, any one place you can start. I'm starting from here. Go down through this stitch, go up, then down in this corner, up in this corner, and now down. You should go up, then down in this line, then up over this line and down over this line formed. Here you have come down, so in this corner you should go up, and then in this line you should go down again. Here you should go up, then down, up, down. Here up, down, up, down. In this line, up and then down in this line. Up, down. Up in this corner, then down. Up in this line, then down. Up in this line and then down in the next line. Up in this corner, then down. Then up, down. Up, down. In this corner the line is formed, so down. Then again in this line up and then down. So this square is completely interlaced. Now you have to continue. This I have to complete in this. This side is completely interlaced. Now we have to interlace this side.